Hey guys, TommyBryson here, and if I would have heard about an app that pays me money to walk when I was 10 years old, 11 years old, I would have probably walked myself to death, like for real, okay? However guys, today I'm gonna tell you about 5 legit apps you can basically use to make money, to exercise, to walk, to do something that involves movement. And by the way, we live in a world today where our jobs are usually sedentary, or just you sitting, I can't say the word, I'm sorry, but it's just basically you sitting down all the time. And because of this, we have a lot of health problems, okay? And we spend around $4.1 trillion on healthcare. And I always thought about, well, that per person is around $12,000 per person, like a little bit more. So imagine if there was an incentive that told you, hey, if you walk this much, if you ate this, if you went to the gym, if you just stayed healthy overall, we would pay you a $12,000 check at the end of the year. Guaranteed, we would see a lot more healthy people, including myself, okay? I lost like 45 pounds in 1 year, thankfully, because things were getting really bad for me, but I lost the weight. I could only imagine how much weight I would have lost if someone was paying me money, or if I had a way to get paid money to do something, okay? Naturally, human beings, us people like you and me, incentives are very important. If you pay me per hour, I'm probably gonna take a lot longer because I get paid per hour. If you pay me per job, I'm gonna do the most efficient, proper job as quick as possible because I get paid per job and not paid per hour. It's just how things work. So incentives are very important, but that's just my dream. But today is 5 apps that allow you to make money while you walk or do something. To me, that's pretty cool. And don't forget, okay, just because I say on your phone, it doesn't spell out, well, if it's your phone, it has to be easy. No, like this right here is supercomputer. Maybe back in 2008, if I said make money on your phone, it would have sounded simple on a Nokia where all you can do is just play Snake on it. But on this phone, you can do whatever you want. Run an entire business, global, international, whatever it is, just with this little device, okay? So let's get started. And as always, guys, do me a favor and smash the like button. And on top of it, if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified, because I make videos all the time about making money, passive income, and also investing. Now, the very first app, guys, is gonna be this one. It's actually called Sweatcoin, and I downloaded it because it kind of sounded pretty cool, and I was like, well, you know, on average, I walk a lot of steps, okay? I'm hitting around 8,500 steps like daily. It used to be like 10,000 plus, but I had to settle down. I was working out way too much, but it's a good thing, right? A good problem. But then I thought about it, okay? This app literally pays you to walk. And one big thing that I noticed with a lot of these apps is that they all have their own currencies, ways to make money in a sense, right? Which is basically, if you walk this much, if you do this thing, we will pay you in points, in perks, or in coins, or whatever it is, okay? They all have their own currency, so they can issue out as much money as they basically can and want to, but there's always like a threshold usually. And one cool thing about this app, which I generally don't really find that cool, but people do find it cool, is that basically they're gonna start, for example, their own cryptocurrency, so you can convert the Sweatcoin into sweat bucks or whatever it is. So now you have the potential that whatever you earn here, you can convert it into their cryptocurrency, which if it goes up, you actually make even more money. But to me, it kind of sounds outrageous. However, my main question was basically, well, as a kid, what would be my biggest question? How long would it take me to make $1,000 if I use this app? Well, in reality, 1,000 steps equals out to around 0.95 sweat coins, I think it is. So to get to $1,000, you literally have to walk somewhere around, I think it was like over 20 million steps or so. And if you walk like 10,000 steps per day, it'll take you like around 8.8 years, which is a long time. And when I heard that, my brain just works backwards. So I was like, well, you're talking about less than $10 a month to do all this walking. For what sake, okay? But tell me it's free money, like who cares? The answer is yeah, who cares? It is free money. But my point is, use this app. It's pretty cool, Sweatcoin, but don't use this app thinking like, oh, I'm gonna make some real money. No, you're not gonna make any real money. You're getting paid to walk, and anybody can do that. So, but likely, most likely, you're not gonna make any real money in a sense, okay? Unless Let's say, for example, you get lucky, you get another rally time, you have a bunch of coins, you convert it into the cryptocurrency, that goes up like crazy, and all of a sudden, you get some money, okay? But it's a cool app, it's awesome, but it's not a crazy way to make money if you ask me. It's a little ridiculous, okay? However, this second app is one that I actually like, and it's more like a website than it is an app, but they do have an app. It's not clickbait, don't worry, and it's called a HealthyWage. Now, the cool thing about this one, guys, is I never had the courage to actually do it, but I wish I actually did because I did accomplish my goal. But the cool thing about this one is, it's kind of like, imagine if you're having a conversation with a friend, right? I'm your friend. And you tell me, Tommy, I promise you, yo, in the next 8 months, I'm going to lose 20 pounds or 40 pounds. And if I don't lose that much pounds, then I'm going to pay you $100, or how much is in here? Whatever is in here, maybe like 80 or 60 bucks. Okay, I'm gonna pay you this money, and if I do lose the weight, then you're gonna pay me this money, okay? It's like a wage, it's a gamble, okay? So the way this works is very simple. I'm gonna show you guys, okay? You go to HealthyWage.com, and they also have, for example, corporate events. They have team events. You can do a bunch of different ways to actually lose money, which is pretty cool, okay? But overall, you can put in here, for example, hey, I wanna lose 45 pounds. And I want to do it, for example, in 12 months, because, by the way, it took me 12 months to actually lose all the weight. I still have 10 more pounds to lose, but I'm not in a rush. And you can say, well, I'm going to basically bet $60 per month for the next 12 months, and I'm going to be basically done with this weight. And you can win anywhere from $784 to $1,600. And by the way, this is a real thing. It's been going on for a very, very, very long time, and I remember it from years ago. And the cool thing is also, they also do like corporate events and different types of things here and there. So if you want to like do it by yourself, if you want to do it, for example, with other people, it's a great way to motivate yourself to lose weight. This guy lost weight. This guy lost weight. I mean, this lady lost weight. I'm sorry about that. Who cares about he or her, right? Whatever. But then I'm crazy, man. But yeah, my point is, it's a great way to make some money if you're willing to gamble. I've never ever been a gambler. It's just not in my DNA. I'm so risk averse. I cannot gamble. So it's not for me. But if you have a plan, you know what you're gonna do, you gotta do it. And by the way, you can't cheat the system, because they ask you to have a reliable witness to identify your weight, like a nurse, a doctor, someone that can actually verify and certify. And if not, you can just do it through their app. Their app is live and it has you weigh yourself and so on. So it's a pretty cool way, and I actually like it a lot, all right? Now, the third way to make some money via activity of you walking or whatever is an app called Rover. Now, Rover, don't worry, it doesn't involve what it sounds like, which sounds like, I don't know, Rover to me sounds like you're on a car and you're going to the desert for some reason. I don't know why that comes into my head, but this just comes to my head, okay? But Rover is literally a dog walking or pet walking app, okay? So it allows you to, let's say, for example, you're in a big city, like I used to live in New York, right? And everyone has a dog, like in an apartment, and they usually don't have the time to walk the dog. Well, they pay you to walk that dog. So 30 minutes to walk a dog and get paid 20 bucks or probably even more money. You do 5 walks. And 5 walks equals what, like 2.5 hours, and you make $100. Like, that's not bad whatsoever. And if you also, I think within the app, if I'm not mistaken, they give you an option that if you actually want to babysit or pet sit a pet, you can also get paid even more money. So that's pretty cool. I mean, one big thing right now, man, is the pet market is massive. So if you can do anything around pets, whether it's training, walking dogs, taking care of dogs, feeding dogs, whatever with dogs and pets or whatever, people are willing to pay a lot of money, because people associate pets almost with like family and kids or whatever, and they become very price insensitive. Not me, but a lot of people do, okay? So it's kind of crazy. Now, number 4 is Charity Miles. This is actually an app and also a website. Now, this is for those people that if you're walking and you're doing something and you don't really care about the money and you're like, I just want to help somebody and cool stuff. So these people actually donate the money that would have paid you. They just basically just donated to charity. That's what it is. So it's called Charity Miles for a reason. And they've issued out around $2.5 million already. Now for me, it kind of sounds cool, but to me, I probably would rather just get involved in charity walks, in charity runs too. That sounds a lot more appropriate to me, but if you want to do it via the app, it's not bad either. So charity miles is also a way to make money, but the money is given away to charity, okay? I gotta put it in here, okay? Because some people are interested in charity, and most, if not all people, should be interested in charity in some way. So do your part, do your part. Now, number 5, and the last way to do it is basically food deliveries or delivery overall. Now, before you leave this video, I have a bonus, so stick around for that one. But as far as like food delivery, obviously that means DoorDash, Uber, Pizza Hut, like all these places that offer delivery services, that can possibly be you. And that also involves, for example, activity. Now, in reality, the cool thing about these jobs is that right now, because people kind of don't want to do them, they are paying like outrageous amounts. Like I'm seeing people get paid 15 to 20 bucks an hour to deliver pizza, and that's not that bad at all. So if you can do that job as a side hustle on the weekends or after work and get paid some extra money, then that's not bad if you ask me. Now the last one, as bonuses here, I have just one overall, and it's basically guided walks, guided experiences, or just guided tours overall. These can be, for example, businesses or you working for somebody else, and it's just you basically helping somebody else and have an experience, and you know things well, so you can kind of take them on. And also guided hikes. I always wanted to do like a guided hike, and I did one here, but more of them, you know, with more people and so on. I think that's pretty cool. And also like guided travel tours. You guys heard about that? So people come from outside of the world or whatever into your area, and then you kind of take them on a guide to see exactly where you live and all that stuff. To me, that's pretty cool. But guys, overall, one main thing that I did notice with all these apps, and my lesson here is that a lot of these apps have kind of become kind of like gambling things in a way, because you kind of have an app and they pay you this currency, which is in reality their currency. Doesn't cost them any money to issue out this money until you convert it in a sense. But then they also have, for example, inside their like promotions, you can convert it to get a discount in this, or you can buy this and get a discount. It's like affiliate websites within this one thing. And the one thing that guides you in there is the idea that you're gonna get paid money by walking or something. To me, that sounds weird, but I'm just telling it to you so you know and you're aware, because my job is to be transparent. As you can see down below, there are no links to affiliates. It's not me telling you, hey, click this link below for this app. I don't care. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in telling you the truth. But these are 5 legit, actually 8 legit ways to make some money via your phone, via activity, via walking, via doing something with your body. So I hope this video helps you, and I hope it makes you some money in some way. So as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified, comment down below any questions, and comment down below phone, so I know you are a real person. So phone and then your comment, and I answer all the comments as always. Also follow me on Instagram at TommyBryson. Up here is another money making video, and over here is my face. Click and subscribe, and as always, long-term team officially out. All right.